how to use green status on Cash App. So if you want to use the green status on Cash App, if you open up Cash App and you're seeing other people use this kind of thing, and Cash App Green is actually a benefit program for eligible customers, and this is actually activated monthly by either spending $500 or more using the Cash App card or Cash App Pay, or by receiving $300 or more in qualifying deposits. Now once activated, this is an automatic activation. You don't really need to do anything. It will get automatically activated as long as you have reached these criteria. Then you can use your green status to access benefits like free in-network ATM withdrawals, free overdraft coverage, and higher interest on savings. So each month you must meet one of the two requirements. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.